Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get one divinity in Circle Grinding Incremental. First, let's understand the fundamental process of earning divinity. We'll then explore the most efficient strategies for grinding circles, ensuring you maximize your gains. Finally, I'll highlight key upgrades that accelerate your progress, making your journey to that first divinity straightforward and very fast. Divinity is primarily generated by completing circles within the game. The higher the level of the circle you complete, the greater the amount of divinity you will receive. To optimize this, focus on upgrades that significantly increase your circle completion speed. Also, always ensure your auto grinder is active to maintain continuous progress, even when you are away from the game. To truly optimize your grind, strategically invest in upgrades that directly enhance your circle completion speed. Pay close attention to both your circle speed and divinity gain statistics, as these are crucial. Utilize the rebirth mechanic wisely. It resets your progress but provides powerful bonuses that accelerate future runs. Balancing speed with gain is key for efficiency. For a smooth path to your first divinity, make sure to purchase the Auto Circle upgrade as early as possible. This automates your progress. Next, prioritize any divinity multiplier upgrades you encounter, as they dramatically increase your output. Unlocking the rebirth option is also vital for gaining powerful, permanent bonuses. Keep upgrading your circle speed consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.